Hello beautiful beings, it's Denise. I just wanted to show you what you can do with packaging tags that you get from your book bag. Tim Holtz, jewelry, jeans, cutters, whatever, stickers, Crafter's Square, more jewelry, even a pizza cutter. Any of these, if you save them, I'm going to do an upcoming video how to make them pockets, corner pockets, tags, belly bands. And today I'm going to show you for our journal how I measured this. It's still drying. I took this one and I cut it, and then I did the corners because they're round. Now these will be round too. And all you gotta do is take this like this and put it on the end, and take a pencil and circle it and then cut it on each corner. But I made it, cut it to make it fit in my journal, like so. Now it fits in my journal. And I'm gonna show you how to make a belly band for your journal, if you would like to make a belly band for your journal. And I already marked it here. I took a pencil and marked it because I can see through this a little bit when I held it up to the light, because I wanted to make sure I had that in frame. And I'm going to show you how to glue that down, and make sure you don't use this side, because we don't want the rest of the Mod Podge not sticking. We're going to use this side. It doesn't have the shiny surface. Okay? And I'm using Matty Mod Podge. And let's get started on that. Move it down a little bit. So I'll show you what I'm doing. Just dip the, I didn't know this one was full that much. I just dipped my brush all the way down in and got way too much on it. But that's okay. Again, showing you not what not to do. I'm very good at it. Okay. There we go. And I just did it again. I think I'm having an off day. Because on the journal, when I showed you in part 3, I painted it. What color did we paint it? Burn red on the inside of the back. Yeah, that was supposed to be gold. So I had to redo it. But that's okay. And then now I did the outside gold. And now we're going to make a belly band. I just guess I got my mind on life outside of this. Usually this takes my mind off it. But it's not working today. Okay. Are you in there? We're just going to take this and put it down like so. And of course, I don't have a napkin. Take the paint off, or the glue off my hands. And we're going to push that against the edge because that's where I want it. See that? Put right there against the edge because that's how far I want to go over. Push down. Now we're going to flip it. Push it down. Like so. And we're making a belly band for our notebooks. Yes, it's important to do the ends, sides. Make sure it's glued down really good. And then we're going to cut it. Okay. Just want to make sure all the bubbles are out. There's no bubbles anywhere. And you guys should probably leave yours to dry. But for sake of this video, I cannot, so I'm going to cut it, and it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna cut that off, like so, all the way around. You can use anything if you don't have cardstock. Even if you colored in a coloring book and you just love that thing that you colored in and you've kept it and you don't know what to do with it, make a belly band out of it. Or your notebook. You can put the coloring thing you colored or even artwork you made and put that on front of a notebook. Okay? And this is our belly band. In the next video, I will show you what you can do with it. Hey, we can even, like, why we're doing this, because that's not drying. I can't show you that, but I can show you this. Seeing the gold's on the inside, I want this, no, I want this on the back. So my barn red's on the outside, so I'm gonna put gold around this real quick. Show you how to do that if you wanna do that. Easy peasy. Remember, just act like you're gonna pour it out, and then when it comes to the edge, stop. And then just take some gold paint and run your finger down as the paint comes off. Just like that, all the way around it. And they'll give it more definition and make it stand out more too. Make sure you can see. Probably should put the camera down, but I don't want to touch it now. I'll just stand up. Here we go. Make sure you're in focus, because I can't see because the camera's up too far. All the way around. Just, you can put a little, a lot, whatever you want. Just get more paint. And I probably will do the packaging tags for the next video. It won't be part, what is it? It'll be part. It won't be a part of the notebook because those are going to be separate, because I'm going to mention our scraps left over from what the piece of cardstock or artwork or coloring that you did, what you can do with them for those tags from the packaging slips. And there you have it, and then you just set it on top of something. Of course, I don't have anything. There's a jar. Just like that, and try not to touch either side, and let it dry. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great everything.